If I hit this trick shot, we're gonna do like a trick line. But it will take me a lot of time. Oops.
Basta pagpapaganda nga ang takbuhan ko lang ng Genie Salon. Binigay ko na nga itong gift ko kay Miss Jessa. Dapat ay nung December pa nga. Lanang product nga yan na dapat ay pang Noche Buena Day. Kaya lang ngayon na nakapunod ka tayo at nakabalik dito. Dahil nga sobrang dami nangyari last year. Madaming problema, mga pinagdaan. Kaya naman itong pagpasok ng taon ay self-love naman. Bored na bored na kasi ako dito sa buhok ko at kailangan ko ng pagpitan. Papalagyan ko lang ng bati para magkabuhay. Pinipilit nga ako ni Miss Jessa dyan na magpa-treatment, sabi ko sa kanan dahil wala kami masyadong time at didiretso pa kami sa mall. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, bago ako mag-birthday, babalik ulit ako dito. Para naman medyo maganda-ganda tayo pag-birthday ko. May pinagaya lang ako ditong haircut kay ma'am. Pinakita ko lang yung picture at kayang-kaya nga daw niya. Pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa Gigi Salon, kayang-kaya nilang gumupit ng hindi ganun kamahal. Salon kasi nito sa mall, maabot na ng 500 sa Sunday. Tignan nyo mga mami at chip na achieve. Bago din yung mukha ko. Nandito na nga lang din kami. Ito nagpamani at pwede na kami dahil sobrang tagal namin wala ng palinis. Siyempre, dinamay ko na rin itong si Daddy. Hindi nga kami gano'n nagpapalinis masyado dahil kung may time nga na. At eto na nga ang ating yolo. Malinis na ko sa paa at malinis na ko sa kamay. At yung pinaka nagustuhan ko itong bagong kong buhok. Dami pa kasi lang ino-offer dito katulad nitong Iris Extension, Cozy Ambient, Nail Polish, at meron din silang nail extension. Coffee shop na rin sa loob. Lahat
Ma, 1 minute na ba?
Dito nga ito malapit sa SM Muntinlupa, katapat ng Chowking at Burger King. At katabing-katabi naman ng Mighty Mart. Kaya naman kung malapit kayo dito sa Gigi Salon, naku, sumit na. Ang dami nilang packages na ino-offer. Kaya pagdating sa pagpapaganda, thank you, Miss Jessa. After naman namin dyan, ay dumiretso kami dito sa Litsu. Yan ang ang tagililing ni Alex sa amin. Siya na nga daw ang babayan. Napakadami nga ang nakakilala dito sa amin. Kaya naman lahat ng nakakakilala ay binibigyan niya ng kanyang seashell na may kanyang painting. Seashell na nga yan ay galing pang Boracay at pinita niya mismo. Bago kami umalis sa bahay, sabi niya ay ibibigyan niya sa mga makakakilala niya. Katapos namin dyan, ay dumiretso kami dito sa kain. Sobrang tagal ko na nag-trade ng mga Korean food. Buti na lang nakakita kami dito sa Habili. Napakamura. Kaya naman tumakbo ako at itong kit meal nila ay 150. Excuse me, I'm very sorry to bother you, but I was hoping you'd be so kind.
Ano, mag-spray ako. Ta.
Thank you. Sorry everyone, cutting through. The power lines feel bad for me. Hey, this is Bates. Oh my goodness. Chloe, are you okay? Yeah, totally fine. Actually, I'm dealing with a tiny emergency right now.
Yeah.
Could you help? Of course, honey. What's the name of this pill?
Stefan.
What? My mom came here last week. She got these pills. I need to know the name of the medication. That's all you need to know. Yes.
Nagtay ka na eh.
Next time you wait your turn, okay? Yes, Mrs. Bates. Shouldn't be too hard, though, as long as it's under money. They're under my mom's. I'm sorry, Chloe, but if they're under Diane's name, I really can't help you. Why? Because it's confidential. Meaning, I know what confidential means. I'm confused, though, sweetheart. Tell me again, why can't you ask your mom about these pills? Honey? It's a game. A game? What kind of game? The scavenger hunt. Yes, 100% yes. Mom and I love scavenger hunts. So many memories of scavenging and hunting. And anyway, the next clue is about the medication Mom takes. And I don't think she expected me to come here, which is why I really need you to help me win. I love games. But confidential is confidential. I'm sorry, honey. I really want to help you, but I can't if they're all under. I think it's a trick question. Why? Because your mom doesn't get these prescribed for herself. Yes, she does. I saw them. She has them in her bag, and she gets them for your dog. Be sure a pharmacy with that next door. The answer you're looking for is right, okay. Green pill, break half. It's dog medicine. It says it's a muscle relaxant prescribed to reduce canine leg pain or leg discomfort caused by sunburns, bites, or cuts. And what would happen if you gave a human being right of pain? What kind of a question is that? Unless you're serious about games, what would happen? I
Oh,
suppose
ito ko na.
your legs could go numb.
Binaba ka na. Ako, mahirap eh. What the fuck? Yan na.
Breathing like that. Chloe, look at me.
Sorry kung nagpapagalan kayo.
I stuck it on it. Please, give us some space.
Talaga naman. Nope. Nandito kami shiny boulder. Index.
Ito yung main niya sa gilid. Puputulin yung pinakatalbos para ito yung pagtutuloyin. Kapag ito naman yung puputulin naman dito step by step.
Archie.
Oo.
Magbibigay tayo ng otosidama sa mga anak ng Percy. Yung otosidama nga pala guys, is magbibigay ng pera sa mga anak ng mga kamag-anak o mga kakilala na nasa tamang gustong gulang na. Para sa Pasko sa Pilipinas, iba sa Pilipinas nagbibigay ng pera sa Pasko. Dito sa Japanese New Year sila nagbibigay. Hindi natin sila ng
Avery, you off the case. Go.
We're gonna need a bigger hospital. Alright, on 3. 1, 2, go! Get the cat pal, CDC and OMTs.
Recipe or English us here. Donald Hain triggers. At the end of life as a working mom, no longer a celebrated edition. Good day everyone, it's 1:30 in the morning. No, you gave me a 10, you owe me another 5. Oh, now you're in for it, buddy. Mom, this guy's a liar and he's trying to steal my money.
Emery just paid the man what he said you owed him.
What? Me? He's a liar.
You come into my store and call me a liar? That's it. What's going on?
Aren't you gonna say anything?
Great! Now more people are going to know we do shoes. Are you sure? I could have sworn I gave you a 20. Nope. You gave me a 10. I'm sure of it.
Bala.
Not you,
I am here to make things right for my son. This is the extra $5 Tia owes you. I apologize for his behavior and I ask that you take his photo down from your shave roll so he can start out the new year with a clean slate.
Apology accepted. But I'll leave the house on me conditions. My wife has extensive taste.
My son's photo, please. And now you're going to take my picture.
Why would I want to
Trust me, you're going to want to take my picture.
nila. Masakit na sa likod. Kaya naman ngayong bagong taon, talagang deserve nilang